everyone, welcome to the channel Genius Sims. Today our topic is collision and what are the types of collision, and we can solve in this video with problematically. Now first, what is collision? Collision, a strong interaction between two bodies within short interval is called collision. In collision there are two types. Two types are elastic collision and elastic collision. Elastic collision, let me see the definition of elastic collision. The collision both movements of both momentum and kinetic energy are constant. Okay, inelastic collision is quite different from this elastic collision. Inelastic collision means the momentum is constant but not kinetic energy. Did you understand that? Momentum is constant, kinetic energy is not constant. And in this elastic collision and inelastic collision, we have one dimensional elastic collision. Let us consider two spheres. The two spheres are here, sphere 1 to sphere 2, with masses m1 and m2. It is the initial position of the sphere. Sphere means a ball, right? Like that, when the movement is not started, the the sphere position is this, and after some time, the change is d seconds. In fraction of d seconds, the velocity of two spheres are changed into after collision. After collision means after strong interaction in short period, they have changed like v1 and v2. v1 v2 means final position. Let us consider from law of conservation of momentum. Elastic collision, m1 u1 initial velocity and final velocity equals to mass of initial velocity equals to mass of final velocity of two objects v1 and v2. This is the equation number 1. This is the total momentum of a system after collision. Here m1 u1 minus m1 v1 equals to m2 v2 minus m2 u2. By translating LHS into RHS, we get this equation. Here m1 is common, so I have taken m1 common. Here m2 is common, so I have taken m2 is as common. According to the law of conservation of kinetic energy, half mu1 square plus half m2 u2 square, that equals to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 u2 v2 square. Here, by cancellating and translating initial and final velocity of first stage, we get this equation. Next, by cancellating both sides, half is common, so half are cancelled. Here in this side, in LHS side and RHS side, m1 is common. In RHS side, LHS m2 is common. After taking the common of two objects, here we get initial and final velocity of mass 1 sphere and mass 2 sphere, initial and final velocity. This is equation number 3. By substituting equation number 2 and 3, what is the equation number 1? Equation number 2. The equation number 2 is m1 of v1 minus u1 minus v1 equals to m2 of v2 minus u2. By substituting these equation 3, we are here m1 and m1 are common, so m1 are cancelled. Here m2 is common. Okay, here we get this equation. Like a plus b, here we have squares, right? So I have taken this as a plus b into a minus b with the mathematical expressions. Here u1 minus v1, numerator one value, denominator one value are same, so cancelled. So the equation of fourth has taken By calculating initial and final velocity of mass 2 and mass 1, I have get this equation u1 minus u2 equals to v2 minus v1 after collision. To find v1 at the point v1 from the equation 4, the equation 4 is this. Here I have taken first v2 to get v1. Here I have substituted m1 u1 values in the equation of 4 by taking the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. Replacing in v2 value this equation, I have get this equation after calculating. Here from equation number 4, again we are find it already v1, right? So at point B means v2 we have to find. We have to find v2 means we are taking v1 by substituting the equation number 1 the value of v1, by substituting the equation number in equation number 1 v1 value. Lastly we get v2 equals to 2 m1 u1 by m1 plus m2 plus m2 minus m1 plus m2 u2. This is the equation number, this is the velocity of v1 and v2 of the objects of 2.